Today we're going to explore 5 evergreen pre-on-demand niches that you might want to consider for your POD business. Whether you're just starting or you're already in the pre-on-demand business for a while but want to skyrocket your sales, you should watch this video. All of the beautiful POD designs we're going to show in this video were made in Kittl. So if you're not part of this amazing creative community yet, go ahead and use the link in the description to join us and create incredible designs. Let's get started. Our first niche is all about our beloved pets. Pet owners adore products that feature their furry friend. From cats and dogs, to birds, to fishes, to hamsters. Think custom pet prints and portraits, and unique themed apparel. If you're an animal lover, this niche is a goldmine. Moving on to weddings and seasonal events. This niche covers weddings, holidays, and special occasions. I personally can't think of something more custom and personalized than weddings. You want everything to have your name and your partner's name on it. Create personalized wedding gifts, cake toppers, invitations, literally anything that can be personalized. Holidays are also a big time for pre-on-demand. Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Easter. There's a year-round market for beautifully designed custom items in this category. Now let's explore professions and hobbies. From doctors to gamers, people are passionate about their interests. Customize products related to specific professions or hobbies, like gardening, cooking, golfing, fishing. Your audience is already out there. Our fourth niche focuses on fitness and wellness. The health and fitness industry is massive and still growing. Design motivational apparel, personalized bottles, and wellness-related products to cater to this health-conscious audience. Last but not least, we have geek and pop culture. If you're a fan of comics, movies, TV shows, video games, singers, or any pop culture phenomenon, this niche offers endless possibilities. Create merch that resonates with fan bases that are basically already built and are willing to buy your products. A truly easy way to get loyal customers. And those were the top 5 evergreen pre-on-demand niches. I hope this video helps you in your journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let us know in the comments if there's any other niches that you guys think that are significant for pre-on-demand business. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!